In this video, I will show you how to chat with friends on Roblox Mobile. First things first, make sure your Roblox app is up to date. Open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Roblox. If an update is available, go ahead and tap Update to download the latest version. Once you've updated the app, open it up. Now that you're in the game, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several options laid out. To start chatting with friends, tap on Chat. At the top right corner of the chat window, you'll notice a pencil icon. Go ahead and tap it. Now it's time to choose who you want to chat with. You'll see some suggested friends appear in this section. If you spot someone you'd like to message, simply tap their name. But what if they're not listed? No problem. Just use the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap it and type in your friend's username. Once you've found them, tap their name from the results. After selecting your friend, tap the chat button located at the top right corner. And just like that, you're now ready to send messages back and forth. That wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about the process, please let me know in the comments section below.